Today we will start the new chapter of social and political science, that is diversity. The state of being different from one another is called diversity. So what does the term diversity means? Diversity means a person or a particular place is different from the other place is known as diversity. Diversity can be in all fields of life. Diversity means differences. In your class, you will find children who speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, like to play different games, and study different subjects. So, in your classroom, you will find there are many children who speak different languages, just like Nepali, Hindi, Bengali, and so on. And even they celebrate different festivals, just like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, and so on, and like to play different games and study different subjects. When you go to a shop to buy a pen, you will find different varieties of it. So similarly, if you will go to a shop or a stationery shop to buy a pen, you will see there are different types of pen. You can choose the one that suits your requirement. So according to our needs and requirement, we choose our or we can choose our own uh, items, just like pen. Diversity is present in every field of life. So diversity means differences or varieties is present in every field of life. It adds variety and make our life more interesting. So with the help of diversity, it adds more variety in our life and make our life more interesting. Diversity in India. India is a country of diversities. So India is also a country in which different religion who live together. Whether though they follow the different religion, but they stay together. Diversity has been one of our most remarkable features. So diversity, with the help of diversity, our India is being differentiated, and it is the most remarkable features of our country India. People belonging to different religions and speaking different languages live in India. So in our India, there are varieties of people who belong to the different religion and they speak different languages. However, in spite of these diversity, a basic unit binds us together. So though we follow different religion, though we speak different languages, but we are one. These tend us our identity as Indians. People of India are Indians first. All other identities come later. So first we are Indians, and later on we are referred as uh, uh, such as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and so on. Underlying the spirit of unity in diversity determines our identity as Indians. So, as we, all the people of different caste and religion, we come together and we live together, and thus it plays an important role in our country, India. It is also an integral part of our heritage. So, with the help of the diversity, that means the varieties of people who live in India, it plays an important role in our heritage. That means our culture which we get from our ancestors. Next is the history of diversity. In the past, India was a very rich country. So in the past, we have already know that our country was very rich. People from different parts of the world come to India to control its wealth. So from different parts of the world, different foreigners who come to our India, and why they have come in our India? In order to capture as number of wealth with them. Gradually, they settle down and mingle with people living here. You will read more on this in your history lesson. People who come from outside adopted certain uh, elements of our culture while retaining some elements of their own culture. So, as these different types of traders or different types of foreigner, they have come in our India, and once they have come in our India, their cultures, their beliefs, their tradition had also come, and it mingled and it mixed with our Indian culture. These intermingling of cultures lead to the emergence of new languages, dance forms, school of music and paintings, new cuisine and religion. So with the help of these outsider or a foreign culture, it plays an important role in our Indian society, due to which there are different types of religions which are being followed in our country. Different dance forms are being practiced. Schools, there are different types of music and paintings, different types of foods, and different types of religions are being followed in our country. Different cultures thus influence one another and brought about diversity. So with the help of these different cultures, it plays an important role in our Indian diversity.